Guys, I'm Vikas. I'm a PT trainer here at Bangalore, India. So you're probably considering studying abroad or even applying for a PR, and you're confused whether you should be taking IELTS or PTE. My answer is PTE. Now, I've taken both the exams and I find PTE much easier. Now, that being one of the main reasons, I've also considered a couple of factors that I will be discussing in the video coming forward. If you like or found the video useful, please feel free to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you.
Right. So I'm assuming you guys must have already decided to probably study abroad or apply for a PR. You're confused whether if you should take PTE or IELTS. My answer to this is PTE, and here's why. The very first point is that the score delivery is less than 3 days. In fact, in my case, it was less than 1 day. The scoring is done by a machine, which means it is going to be less ambiguous. There is no scope of partiality or any human errors. The next and the most important aspect here is that it is relatively easier than IELTS. Having taken both, I can tell you with utmost confidence that PTE is much easier. And of course, it is widely accepted by a number of universities as well as peer organizations. So there's also plenty of study material. So if you look on YouTube or just Google, there's so much of study material that you could absolutely go ahead and prepare without much professional help unless you absolutely need it. So considering all these factors, I think PTE would be a better choice. I hope this video helps you in making the choice between PTE and IELTS. If you got any questions or queries, please feel free to leave a comment below. This is Vikas from PTE Lectures signing off. Thank you for your time today.